The Fitz. It's one of St. Catharines' most walkable and diverse communities that caters to the neighborhood restaurants, patios, bike paths, skating rinks, and dog parks. And on a beautiful tree-lined street is Carl's latest listing.
And this is 32 Rodman, a spectacular legal duplex that has all of the high-end finishes that would come to expect of new home construction. The main floor has just a high-end kitchen, fantastic bathroom and 2 bedrooms, tons of natural light. Upstairs is a bachelor unit with gorgeous hardwood floors and vaulted ceilings. You gotta jump in, take a look. For more information, please visit callcarl.ca, or better yet, give me a call and I'd be happy to show you the property anytime.